That's a beautiful sentiment, wrapped in poetry and heart. And it's true, when a man is genuinely, deeply in love, time stops being a commodity. It starts becoming a love language. He won't just fit her in, he will move mountains, meetings, exhaustion, ego, everything, to make sure she never has to wonder where she stands. But let's also say the quiet part out loud. This standard isn't gender exclusive. The right woman does the same for the man who feels like home to her. She sends the thinking of you text between back-to-back calls. She calls on her drive home just to hear his voice for 3 minutes. She plans the surprise, remembers the little thing he mentioned 6 Tuesdays ago, and shows up emotionally and physically, even when her own world is on fire. Real love, mature love, isn't about who chases harder. It's about two people who refuse to let the chaos of life outsound their connection. Both of them choosing every single day to protect the sacred space they've built together. So yes, if he loves you, he will make time. And if you love him, you'll do the same. 'Cause that's how you know it's real, when silence